regarding land transformation brought forward by our government is an excellent policy to make Hyderabad pollution free and also generate some revenue for the government. I am also a part of the subcommittee which has formulated this policy, and I personally also think, as a citizen of Telangana, as a minister, as a long-term Congress loyalist, I am convinced it is a good policy. The policy envisages that all industries should be shifted out of Outer Ring Road. Who can have a dispute with that? We want to encourage the industries by incentivizing this, by encouraging them to shift out and have your industry outside the ring road. So Hyderabad city is pollution free. I don't know what is the problem of BRS and BJP. This is a policy which has been in the making for 15 years. It was discussed in the Congress government in combined Andhra Pradesh, discussed and some shape evolved in the BRS government, and we have implemented the policy. This talking about 5 lakh crores scam or 9,000 acres is all, doesn't have any basis. This is purely only to try to defame the Congress government, or whatever we do, you try and defame us, so we go slow down on this. I am appealing to all industrialists in Hyderabad to use this land transformation policy. It's a good policy. It incentivizes the industrialists to shift out of Outer Ring Road. It's a transparent, committed policy. Please use this policy. It's good for the state, it's good for industry, it's good for the people.